Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed, stay with inspiring inputs. Life is what we make it. If you have created a visionary image of yourself, strive to become one. Growth is actually a painful process of shedding the old and embracing the new. Instead of chasing the stars, cherish the ground. In life, each day is an evolution. When you stop expecting, you start getting. Don't paint yourself too much based on others' expectations. You be yourself. If you could see only the positive side of others, you become positive. Your own negative thoughts will backfire you sooner or later. Beware. While focusing on bigger things, don't ignore subtle things. Making your mind focus on what you really want is an art by itself. For having a clear perception, don't mix it up with emotions. We need to put our feet down firmly and accept the reality as it is. You miss the present reality if your mind is clogged with past thoughts and future worries. While focusing on the destination, don't miss to enjoy the journey. Don't chase success. Instead, focus on all the necessary efforts such that success ripens on its own. If you are in a difficult situation, don't try to escape from it. Face it head on and grow out of it. Don't color the situations, even with your positivity. Just view it as it is. The miseries on earth need your concern and not your complaints. Most of the sufferings are self-imposed. If you are intact, you need not bother about your image. Don't work on your image. Instead, work on yourself. Life is a training ground, constantly pushing you towards reaching your optimum potential. Each and every day in your life is a litmus test for you to prove and display your human virtues. Don't build building on words. They are absolutely baseless. To make the bigger picture beautiful, we need to focus on the finer details as well. How much ever we talk, discuss, debate, and imagine, there is only one executable action. Words have tremendous power. While a simple yes can push you forward, a simple no can pull you all the way down. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.